What's up, guys? I welcome you guys at my YouTube channel. Consider subscribing and comment and like it. Where you are, I salute. Today I have new content idea. I want to tell people at the village, YouTubers at the village. Now I see the YouTuber have changed. Now they behave well. I want to appreciate one of them, XYZ. I appreciate you now. Today I have a friend of mine. I want to show you because I call her. He was on the way. I think a few minutes will appear at the camera, and we'll see her, and he will also shout out at the camera. He's here already. He's redeemed to near to me.
Yeah.
Friend of mine, you can shout out to the camera there.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm redeeming from electricity station to hold the phone electric.
Oh, because at our village we don't have the electricity.
Yeah.
Okay.
Coming from nearby electrical station.
Oh, you have going to charge it. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Today with me here,
Yeah.
I see the YouTubers changing. Do you have
change.
Not must they? One of them changed.
Yeah.
But others they not changed.
Yeah.
But you know one of whom you know he have already changed. You can shout out whom you know.
XYZ.
He changed.
Yeah.
Okay. You appreciate how very nicely. What I can say with me here as a YouTuber, big YouTuber. We said that I remember it was on Saturday. Yesterday. We said we don't want support and msaada in the village.
Yeah.
But what we want to, because we've seen charity begins at home.
Yeah.
As yesterday I uploaded the video, one USA commented the project. We will do that video I put yesterday. He commented, and I appreciate him because I think he is a mom, or he's a mother somehow. Mama is a mother, not somehow. I appreciate. What we need now is volunteering. You can volunteer for us, and I want to appreciate some YouTubers whom are doing the charity work. But it's good to start charity begins at home. That will be a good idea.
Yeah.
That I appreciate. And what else I want to put a close is this one. To YouTubers at Malo's village. They don't have relationship with other YouTuber. I don't know what makes them to be, they don't want to be relationship. They don't want
money.
But this small money of
Donation.
donation from USA is making them to become bad YouTubers.
Yes, bad people, not YouTubers.
It's the YouTuber. Also the people can be. What we want in the village now, as I'm saying here, we want electricity. Because don't say you have money, and we have the big, like Bill Gates, whom people Bill Gates
in the village.
Bill Gates have a lot of money, but don't say he has. People say he have money. I appreciate now the YouTubers whom changed their behavior. I want to appreciate. Congrats. This is the congrats. You can shout out your name there so that the viewer and my subscriber can know. The Thomas 001. You can consider subscribing at her channel.
Like and comment and share my videos.
That is what you need. People, I want a close. As you can see there, we have electricity. Just a cameraman, just show there electricity.
Electricity pole.
They seem just zoom it, zoom, just zoom so that they can see there.
electricity connection there. Means there is no
But we
current
don't
to
have,
them.
the current is not there. Tap close
That
because
is
my
the target we need. What
that
we need
is
now.
what we need is electricity at the village now,
Yeah.
guys. What we want is that we can when we see the electricity passes at here.
Yeah.
Let me show, just show
How many
cameraman.
dollars can do that work?
That is small dollar. I think $200.
Yeah.
No, $400
Yeah.
can make that electricity at our village. 400. That only can make that so that we can come
Have
at
electricity.
electricity at our village.
Yeah.
Now, as I will say this again.
Mm.
YouTubers, they say they have lot of money. I want to see the right at the village. When I will see it. I will say congrats. This is the sign of congrats.
You have already said congrats
I
for
get
their
it.
own behavior. They
Yeah,
have changed.
But
Now we want them to change the environment.
yeah,
Yeah.
because in high school there my teacher of literature says, I told us,
Yes.
charity begins at home.
Yeah.
We know you can't do charity far from your home.
But that is what is happening in
In Nyabohanse, the YouTuber.
Yeah.
That is bad. I repeat it, that is bad.
Bad.
I will not say shame on, but that is bad.
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 Yeah.
I bracket that is bad.
And the question mark.
After this time we want to enjoy, because here you can see the kids, just the cameraman, just show the kids.
Then we shall buy
Mwarimu biscuit so that people can see the children eat Mwarimu. Yeah, we can went to the small shop there and to buy the biscuits of these kids so that they can eat and enjoy Mwarimu biscuit.
Because tomorrow
we want to. They went to school. Just come closer, my camera, so that people, these children we can buy for them biscuit Mwarimu. We have small clothes at our village, and we want my viewers to put the clothes big so that we want to promote. One day come closer. We want Mwarimu. Mwarimu is inside.
all of you to come here.
The children, there is Mwarimu inside. Mwarimu, give us Mwarimu for 40 bob. Mwarimu.
Yeah.
This is
Come
our
here, so
kiosk,
that
people. As you see, this is our kiosk.
Yeah.
It is small kiosk. As you see, people, guys. That Mwarimu, just cameraman, just show them the Mwarimu, how it looks. This is our YouTuber, tomorrow's YouTuber.
Our dreams.
This is how. This I think is a $1/4. $1/4.
Yeah.
This I can give this so that they can. I give this girl first. Sorry. You can give them
for them.
and I can give this boy. Contribute with boys. Just go there. Just say thanks to the camera first. Just say thanks to the camera. Semeni asante kwa kamera kabla muende watoto wazuri. Here we have our elder girl who's selling the
shopkeeper.
Yeah, okay, nice. Just see, he has a kid there. You can see my cameraman. Yeah, okay. You say hi. Give me the change so that I can put in my pocket. I don't want it to be empty.
Because they make a lot of noise.
Yeah, it's okay, it's true.
Yeah.
But give us even that add one Mwarimu, and I have my friend of mine and the cameraman, so I can give the cameraman to taste how Mwarimu it looks. This is Mwarimu. Just see the Mwarimu, the Mwarimu 10 bob. At the door there you can I can give you
Yes.
and you taste mwalimu how it tastes, because our kids
It's
at the
enough.
village,
Enough.
because
So
Taste
hello
is
guys, welcome to who channel?
Mr. Bongera.
Mr. Bonyeza channel is me here, Noel Chacha. So go and subscribe to Mr. Bonyeza and please go and support him. And then me here, I have a YouTube channel. It's called Noel Chacha. Go and subscribe. So he will appreciate you. Thank you.